Hi, this is Becca, and today I'm going to be showing you my cleaning scrub recipe and how great it really works. So join me in my bathroom for a little demonstration. Hello and welcome to my bathroom. I hope the lighting and the sound is not too terrible. The point here today is to show you my awesome scrub DIY cleaning recipe. Now I've made it in another video, I've shown you the recipe completely, and I will link those two together so that you can go back to it if you haven't caught that one yet. Now I keep it in a mason jar, and it is baking soda and Castile soap and essential oils, and that's it. Really clean, non-toxic, very simple to whip up, and I've used this on tile surfaces, porcelain, stainless steel in my sink, and then my countertops in here are like an acrylic, I think. It's like one piece, the countertop in the sink. So I use it in here too. Now you'll have to forgive me. My husband's been out of town, and so I've been slacking a little bit on some of my chores because I've had a lot going on. Now, my sink in my bathroom is something that only I see on a regular basis, so it's really nasty right now, which is perfect for this video. So forgive me my dirty sink, and you're gonna get the benefit. You're gonna get to see how great this scrub really works. So I'm gonna turn the camera down. There we go. There's my yucky sink. You can see toothpaste stains in here. It's kind of yucky around the thing. I don't use this sink as like a vessel, okay? Everything goes right down, so you don't have to be that grossed out. Now, the first thing I do when it's this nasty and yucky is I give it a good spray down with my Thieves household cleaner. This is 1 capsule and about 30 ounces. It's really dilute. I can use this on glass and windows and things like that, but this is just gonna kind of get the surface wet and get some of that Thieves cleaner power in here, because I'm gonna move this out of the way too. Soap there. It's really nasty. Now I use this scrub on the faucet and really on everything. So we've got mildly hard water here. It's not terrible, but it's not great either. So I've got my scrub that I already whipped up. Like I said, I will link this to the other video with the whole recipe. And you sprinkle it in and around just like you would any other like scrubby cleaner. Now I really love this little scrubby thing here. It's silicone. It's got great little teeth here. I can get this really clean when I'm done with it. It's not like a sponge that holds all the yuckiness. So I can even run it through the dishwasher and it holds up really good. Now this is looking a little chunky, but that's okay because some of it will break down as I scrub around. So I just got this damp. Like the water runs right out of it, so it doesn't hold a lot. So hopefully the sink will be wet enough.
And I'm just gonna scrub like I would with any other cleaner. I really hope that this comes out on the video as well as it looks in person. So I get water spots all around the sink, especially on this side near where the soap goes. A little puddle that collects there. Gets dingy up underneath here. See this little scrubby thing lets me get like right up against there. Scrub right in that corner. I got this thing from Mixed Bag Designs. My daughter's school did a fundraiser. I've been using this one for 2 years. So it's really awesome. They're not that expensive and it holds up really well. I started seeing them though pop up in different places. I think I saw some at Walmart. Sure you can find them online. They're not hard to do. Drop that down. Real good scrub around there. And when you're done here, you want to make sure that you rinse really thoroughly because the baking soda will dry out and it will cake up. That'll be kind of icky. At our previous house, when I developed this recipe, we had white porcelain, sinks, bathtubs. It was an older home, and it stained really easily. It was beautiful when it was clean, but it stained really easily. So I made sure to use lemon oil and things like that to get the gunk, take care of the stains. You can feel it. You can feel that it starts to get more slick. It's not, the grime is coming up. I don't know why I don't do this more often. It's really very easy. It does not take a long time at all. It's It's just that I have 2 kids, and I'm flying solo right now, and I have 1,000 other things that I'm worried about doing. To where my things that I'm the only one that sees, that's the kind of stuff that gets pushed to the back burner. We have to have laundry clean, we have to have dishes to eat off of, my kids need a clean tub, all that kind of stuff, so I think that's it. I'm gonna rinse it out, and we're gonna see how we did. It's good to me. Like I said, you gotta make sure and rinse it really well. And you can see I even did the faucet here. All those little hard water spots getting wiped away. This stuff is great. It doesn't dry out my hands. It doesn't stain my clothes. It's just baking soda. It's very simple. It's very clean. And it actually works. Imagine that. It's also really cheap to make. I mean, you can't get a whole lot cheaper than baking soda. I buy the biggest box I can find. Baking soda. Oh, I got a little spot there. A toothpaste spot that stuck. Otherwise, man, I really hope that this translates on the video. Because I'm impressed every time I use this. I've been using this recipe for more than 2 years. And it always impresses me with how great it looks. Get all the little fuzzies out of there. And I don't mind using my hands without gloves. Like, they don't get dried out. There's nothing in here that's going to hurt me. There's nothing in here that's going to be harmful for my skin. The Castile soap is the same soap I use in my face wash. Like, we're talking really super clean here. And safe ingredients. So, I think I got it all. I'm done cleaning my sink. Woohoo! It's like sparkling now.
And all the way around, it's all sparkly. So I hope that that translates, because I think it's really beautiful. And now you can see that it did such a lovely job. See those lights reflecting back in it. So go and whip up some tub scrub and get to cleaning. I know I call it tub scrub, but I really use it for a lot more than my bathtub. So thanks for joining me, and get to work.